Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech with Mahi. Today I'm going to review the Sony X90H, or you can call it the X900H series. Let me give you a quick glance of this Sony X90H. This is one of the best TVs in the world right now. Let it be for the movie lovers or let it be for the gamers. Especially gamers and movie lovers would love this TV because it has got very low input lag and it has got X motion clarity, which reduces the judder. So now I'm going to review about the Sony X90 series. So it has got narrow bezel, it has got minimal design, it has got slim bezel design, it is a Bravia model, and it has got powerful processor in it. This is the overview of the TV, and it has got lifelike picture quality. It has got X1 4K HDR processor. What this does is the X1 4K HDR processor upscales even the low resolution content to a 4K content. This is the beauty of the X1 4K HDR processor, and this particular TV has got the full array LED. What the full array LED does is you can see the screen wherever the object is placed. You can see that object very clearly compared to other TVs. Other TVs has got edge LED, but this particular TV has got full array LED. That is the advantage of having this TV. And now it has got lifelike picture quality. Just I will explain, right? The other TVs has got edge LED. This is the comparison between edge LED and full array LED. The other TVs has got edge lit LEDs, and this TV has got full array LED. You can see that the LEDs are placed across the screen. See, this is the difference, full array LED. You can see that clearly, right? Plus extended dynamic range, which enhances the picture quality. So this is all about lifelike picture contrast, and making colors and contrast more real because of the object-based HDR remaster. Just I was talking about the object-based, right? So it is all about the object-based remaster in this the Sony TV has got. So based on the object, it remasters the HDR content. You can see clearly there, and it has got bright and clear motion. See this content. It is not clear, right? But because of the X motion clarity, you get this very bright and clear motion and reduces judder. Beautifully matched pictures and sound because of the acoustic multi-audio. This is one of the best sound. I can say that this TV has got one of the best sound quality because you feel like the sound is coming from the center of the screen, and this is one of the beautiful feature. Fast and effortless. It's a fast and effortless Android TV. You can switch between apps very fastly. And this is all about the Sony X90H series. Now I'm going to talk about the full array LED. What is full array LED? So this particular TV has got the full array LED feature. I'm going to more discuss about this full array LED feature right now. And the two particular models has got this feature, X9000H and X9500H. And I'm going to compare it with other TVs. You can see it clearly there. On the left side, you get the other TVs Edge Elite 4K models, the other TV 4K models on the left side, and on the right side you can see the Sony full array LED. You can see the clear comparison there, right? On the left side, the dark areas are not defined properly and the light areas are not brighter. Compared to the right one, on the right side, on the Sony full array LED, it has got more accurate blacks and realistic brightness. You can see it clearly, right? Comparison of the left side and the right side. On the left side, those are all other 4K models, and the right side it is a Sony full array LED. True to life contrast. You get true to life contrast with this for more vibrant realistic picture. And this is a video of the Las Vegas there. You can see it clearly, right? Because of the full array LED, you get this crisp images of while you're watching. You can see it clearly, right? The deeper shadows, bright highlights and vivid colors because of the full array LED there. And this is all about the Sony X90H. TV. So if you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel for more interesting updates. And this is all about the Sony X90H review, and I will be giving you all the price details in the description below. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.